Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your bookings and trips on Booking.com to view your travel history. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your phone or computer and type in Booking.com in the address bar. Navigate to the Booking.com website. Before you can access your bookings, make sure you're logged in to your Booking.com account. This feature is only available when you're signed in. If you need help logging in, we have a separate tutorial on that. Check it out in our channel. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Booking.com homepage. Look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon or your account name. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, you should see Bookings and Trips right below My Account. Click on it to access your booking history. Once you select Bookings and Trips, you'll be taken to a page showing all your travel reservations. If you have any booking history on Booking.com, it will display here. You'll see all your hotel reservations, flight bookings, and other travel arrangements. You can also view past and canceled bookings by clicking the corresponding tabs, which show you previous trips or any reservations you've canceled. This makes it easy to track your travel history and manage your upcoming trips all in one place. And that's how you check your bookings and trips on Booking.com. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Booking.com and travel booking tutorials. Thanks for watching.